Hi, I'm Karina Gardner, and today we're going to be playing with the star tool. It's a really simple tool, and so this will be a quick 1-minute tutorial just to get you on your way so you can feel comfortable with the tool. If you're brand new to Illustrator, this is going to be awesome. You're going to love it. And if you haven't checked out, I have a free Intro to Illustrator course at my website at karinagardnercourses.com. So you should sign up. It's only 3 lessons giving you an introduction into Illustrator so that you can get going as a designer. Of course, if you're interested in really trying to take the leap and making money as a designer, which a lot of my students end up being designers and making money doing it, you can check that out at karinagardnercourses.com. I have 5 courses there that will really get you going in a niche and a profession that you're gonna love. It's just really great to do creative work every day. So I love it. I hope you enjoy it too. Okay, so let's get into the program. You can see I have it opened up. What you're going to do is go under your rectangle tool, click on your star tool. Now, the default setting, if you just click somewhere on your artboard and pull, is like this traditional 5-pointed star, okay? If you click a single time on your artboard and don't pull, just click on it with your track and pad or your mouse, you'll notice that I had a menu pop up for me. This menu is awesome because what it does is it actually took my last settings, so you can see this crazy number here, like 79.1285. It's taken my last settings and it's telling me how many points I have. So I love this tool. I make a lot of stickers with this tool, among other things, but you can take your points of your star up. So I've got mine at 18. I'm going to leave my radius and my 1 and 2 alone. We'll just see what happens and push OK. Okay, pretty great, right? So I've got this multi-pointed star. Now if I click a single time again, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take my radius to way, way down. We're going to take it down to like a 4 point. This is going to dramatically change it. I just want you to see what it does. Push OK. And you can see that it's created this really, really skinny little points, but it's still really, really long, okay? If I click again, so I'm going to take my star button, I'm going to click again. I'm going to keep those points, but this time I'm going to take, let's take our radius to 80, but up here we're going to take this down to 4, okay? So we're going to flip it and have less points on radius 1. Push OK. Oh, I did something wrong here. Well, it didn't do that much. Let's try it again. Let's change the dimensions up. Let's change, it's the points. I just realized it's the points. Okay, so we're going to take it down to like only 8 points. Let's change our radius to, well, I think we're going to have to change radius to, let's change it just to 20. Okay, so we've got 20 and 80. Push OK. Okay, so you can see what it did. So it gave you a little bit more in the middle to work with, if that makes sense. But because I had so many points and it wasn't big enough, it was kind of still being condensed down. So I needed a few less points to show you guys what it can do. That's it. That's the star tool. It's amazing. I make a ton of stickers with it and shapes. Just works really, really nicely. If you have a chance, make sure and check out my courses. I would love to see you in even my free course because I want you to learn Illustrator. I'll see you guys later.